Okay guys, I'd like to show you my progress for a 3D printed coil shell, which is made of 3 pieces. This is south side of the coil cover, that's the north side, and there's a handles. We'll get to that. This is my progress starting from the right and going to the left. Blank white shell, this is what I started with, and then I decided to change the color for gray. All these are printed from high temperature plastic, ASA, and they're kind of a challenging to print that by itself. The material likes to warp, and it requires printer which is encased, so I had to get a printer which is able to print this, and still I had some failures. So this is my second attempt. I decided to use gray material as a base, gray ASA, and change the color for one of the sides, for south side. Later I decided to use white color only for north side, like on this one here. This is gonna be a north, and wanted to later will engrave a letter N here with the laser engraver, but for now this is just a plain one. This one was engraved actually, so this letter S was engraved with laser engraver. It's permanent. This is my second attempt, and with this I tried to put in a logo here, and I didn't like how it came out. It didn't come out as good as I wanted, so I decided to move a logo here, and that would be in my last 3 tries. So this one was without logo on the side and just a plain letter S. And so later I tried printing this way instead of this way. So as I print it like that, I have nice shiny surface here, just like on this coil, and all other ones were printed this facing down to the print bed. So this one wasn't printed like that, and it came out to be strainy here inside, and the surface didn't come out to be nice. It's kind of rough. But the cool thing about this method is that letter S and the logo will stand out, which is a nice. It just stands out like 0.4 millimeters. And you don't get that when you print it this way. So my next attempt was to print it this way and put in the logo inside and with the printer. This is the printer which can print with multiple colors, so I had to use 2 colors. This is ASA material, as I mentioned before, and all this is basically printed with multiple colors, but you don't see on this one. It's just the one layer of this white filament. So this last one here is the final one, which, as you can see, much more pronounced. And I changed the font here, and this is what I like. It will be my final. Maybe I'm gonna move this logo a little bit lower, but other than that, I like it. So this south side and the north side, it would look like that, and the coil will have one. This north side will be white, and that's the side you would end up using in like 95% of the times, and this is gonna be a south side. So, and then later I will be engraving a letter N here. I tried printing like with a cutout here, and then filled it up, but this Flexit 90 black Model Pro went inside into the cracks and made it look kind of ugly. I don't know if I like it, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll just simply engrave it with laser engraver, just like this. So this one is flat with the surface, and it's permanent. Now moving on to the handles, I have a few, trying a few colors: orange, gray, green, black, and white. This is made from same material as this, although they don't really match, but this is how it's gonna look like when it's white handle. And let me show you the black handle with this, which is not bad either. In gray probably will be the most common one, just like that. I think I like this one the best. And for those who like maybe some exotic colors, I have this too, and I will be introducing more colors. So soon, if you check description for this video, I will post a link where you can buy this all set up, already printed, and don't need to go through trying to print it, because with the high temperature material it's not easy to print. You gotta have a good printer to be able to do that. Anyway, just wanted to show you my progress, and maybe in the future we'll update you with more progress for the coil handles. I'm trying currently one, filling up with a coil inside and making it real coil. So maybe with my new model of this BBMPulser 2B, I will introduce one of these coils and show you how it looks with on a pulser when it's all assembled. Okay guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.